ahead. Come on in. COVID-19 awaits for you.
There's no excuse for animal abuse. There's no excuse for animal abuse. There's never an excuse for animal abuse. There's no excuse for animal abuse. There's never an excuse.
The Texas Animal Freedom Fighters are in Weatherford, Texas, outside of this rodeo arena where they're about to hold a bull riding event. This event is sponsored by the Parker County Sheriff's Department. This is their 73rd year of abusing animals and exploiting their bodies for money. We're here to be a voice for the animals trapped inside. Bull riding is extremely cruel, and it's no different than fighting dogs. And we're here basically to speak up for the animals and tell the public that the state of Texas does not stand in solidarity with rodeos and animal cruelty. Culture and tradition could never justify violence. Do what?
Why are you protesting?
Animal cruelty.
Oh, really?
Yep.
No,
no different than dog fighting.
Injury and death are inevitable for these sentient creatures trapped and exploited inside of rodeos. They suffer internal hemorrhaging, torn ligaments, broken bones and horns and necks, subcutaneous tissue damage, aneurysm and heart attacks. And when their miserable rodeo career is over, they're all hauled to slaughter. Rodeo is no excuse for animal abuse. Entertainment is no excuse for animal abuse. If you purchase rodeo tickets, you're no better than Michael Vick. I bet you all had a lot to say about him, and here you are, participating in animal cruelty for sensory pleasure. It's the same thing. No different than Michael Vick. Animals exploited here.
Alright, we're in 2020 where we can leave animals alone. We don't have to ride animals anymore. We don't have to do this bull riding. We got mechanical bulls, we got roller coasters.
There's no excuse for animal abuse.
It is abuse. And then they're all sent to slaughter.
Animals deserve to be free from harm.
Why do you think they buck?
Why do you think they buck?
Why do they buck?
Flame tied around the back of the ring. It's a sport. The animals are athletes themselves.
So do bulls normally buck? Is that natural behavior?
If you stand in front of a bull's gonna buck and charge at you.
They use those electric pods to move them.
They twist their tails, they kick them, punch them, they inject them with hormones and steroids and anti-inflammatory, and then they all go to slaughter. Yes, all of them.
They endure tail twisting, electric prodding, and other physical abuse behind the scenes. With intensity and risk integral factors for an entertaining show.
The fundamental concept surrounding a rodeo is so-called strong men who abuse animals, who dominate the weak and the vulnerable. And this is not normal, natural, or necessary. And there is absolutely no reason why this event should still be happening tonight amidst the coronavirus. A veterinarian who spent over 30 years as a federal meat inspector describes the animals discarded from rodeos for slaughter as being so extensively bruised that the only areas which the skin was still attached to their flesh was the head, neck, leg, and belly. He says, I have seen animals with 6 to 8 ribs broken from the spine and at times puncturing the lungs. I have seen as much as 2 to 3 gallons of free blood accumulated under the detached skin.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I wonder how you'd like to be one of those bulls tonight, with metal spurs in your side, and your tail twisted, and your punched and kicked, to be physically provoked to perform for the spectators. No excuse for animal abuse. If you're abusing animals.
I'm just here to show support, to be one of the people out here to hold a sign, do some chants, just anything to help bring awareness to what is considered normal, what a lot of people still consider entertainment. It's not. Read up on it and do your research. You realize that this is animal cruelty, and if it's not okay to do it to your dog or cat at home, it's not okay to do it to other animals.
Teach your children compassion for animals, not dominance over the weak and vulnerable. I think animal abusers you're retarded, man. Okay, Karen, you said your piece. Now go exploit animals. Go exploit animals, Karen. You said your piece. Have fun.
You know, abusing animals doesn't make your penis any bigger. Only bullies!
Ride animals!
Only bullies!
Ride animals!
Only bullies!
Ride animals!
Only cowards!
Abuse animals. Rodeo performers too suffer injuries. However, these individuals choose to be here. They risk their own health and safety in the name of entertainment. These animals have no choice. No excuse for animal abuse.
Shut the fuck up.
This is not animal abuse.
Thank you.
Please don't support the rodeo then. It's no better than what Michael Vick did. I'm supporting animal abuse.
Real men don't abuse animals.
Real men don't abuse animals.
We can't hear you. You're driving away. Come back.
You old folks should be out here. You know COVID is more on you guys.
It's not entertainment, it's violence.
Injuries are inevitable.
Switch folks, he's just having a little bit of trouble to steer that steer on all 4 feet here tonight. He's going to use his powering strength to get that steer up off the ground. And I tell you what, this steer is certainly not being any cooperative with this cowboy. He doesn't want anything to do with the competition here tonight. Well, folks, we'll endeavour to get that steer steering back on all 4 feet. Work they've done throughout the week to get this match. Don't ever have any mindset that these cattle aren't looked after, because they are looked after absolutely outstandingly.
They're trying to get on her back, I think. Yes. There you go. She looks like she's had some work done. There's got to be some milk in there.